My daughter is crazy about claw machines, so I wanted to make something very unique that she could decorate and use as her Valentine's Day card box. This tutorial will show you how to assemble the box, as well as some tips and variations you can make if you or a loved one is crazy about claw machines too. Please use craft glue and take your time with assembly. I'm using super glue in order to speed up this process, but no need to use this method. For the claw machine chain, you can use twine or something as simple as ribbon. In this example, I decided to use one of my daughter's extra bracelets. I recommend you add an extra loop on the heart-shaped claw to ensure it's always facing you. You can then hang it from the designated holes on each side. With using a bracelet, I added a larger loop at the end to keep it anchored in. You can use transparent paper or clear packaging if you want to give it a glass front. I went without to keep it simple. Once you're done with working inside the box, you can add the back plate and top piece while securing them in place. The counter and controls can be the last of the assembly, and then you're ready to decorate the box as needed. In the Xtool XCS file, I provided a heart-shaped pattern in case you want to have it engraved like you see here. Obviously, you can use this for anything you desire, and hopefully it will make someone's day as a gift. Feel free to comment any feedback, and don't forget to like and share. Subscribe and set notifications on for future unique projects just like this. Thank you guys for watching.